Hey everybody, welcome back to another Theta Network update for September 1st, 2023. It's Friday. Hope you're ready for that Labor Day weekend. And yeah, let's start it off with some good news with Theta. They tweeted out yesterday that we are excited to announce that Google Cloud collaborative work with Theta over these last several months has created the model pipeline for video to text applications, and it is being presented at this year's Google Cloud Next conference in San Francisco today at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. The project will be presented by Bryce Perez, Google Cloud's Web3 customer engineer. You can watch the presentation online using the free Google Cloud Next digital passcode or read the summary of the presentation here. We'll go over that after I show you the link where you can actually watch it on YouTube. But yeah, Mitch Liu was like, this is thrilled to be partnering with Google to drive next generation AI apps, starting with a model pipeline for video to text that could disrupt video search and content understanding. Looking forward to combining the best Google Cloud and Theta Edge Network with Jay Long. So yes, very cool. And here was just a photo Mitch showed off. Nice pic at the Google Cloud Tech presentation with Theta. Yeah, he's rocking a Theta t-shirt too, so pretty cool. And yeah, Gainian told us when you can actually watch it. Yeah, so Gainian was like, Bryce starts his presentation at the 23:21 mark. You can also view the whole thing on YouTube. He showed off the Google Cloud link. I'll leave a link to this video down below so that way you can watch it too. And again, it starts at 23:21 and he goes over basically what we're going to go over through this Medium article if you don't want to watch it. So yeah, let's go over the Medium article to learn a little bit more about the Google Cloud and Theta to present their collaboration of the model pipeline for video to text applications at Google Cloud's next conference. So here we go. So we're excited to announce that Google Cloud's collaborative work with Theta over the last several months. Now the model pipeline for video to text applications is being presented at this year's Google Cloud Next conference in San Francisco. The project will be presented by Bryce Perez. We know that. Google Cloud's a Web3 customer engineer. It was played yesterday at 9 a.m. at Moscow South Level 2, Room 211. Now, for those that cannot attend, we have modified versions of the presentation available here. And again, I'll leave a link down below so you can watch that little quick one for you. Now, this collaboration between Google Cloud and Theta's Edge network aims to combine the best of cloud and edge architecture. Cloud structures are stable with high availability, while edge networks have an unlimited amount of nodes, which are lower capability but have a massive parallel processing power and are close to end users. By using both together, we can harness the power of both cloud and edge for emerging AI use cases in video, media, and entertainment. Now, how does Theta Edge Network fit in with several distinct advantages? Well, we got the scale, a distributed network of over 10,000 plus nodes around the world, the availability with a mix of cloud-based VMs and laptops/desktops. There is no single point of failure. We got the resources comprised of a vast amount of idle CPU-GPUs and memory/storage that can be harnessed into parallel processing power. We also got a simple UX. Jobs run in the background with no user interaction required. It's that great. And here's some more like of the diagrams that Bryce showed off in his speech. Now, the model pipeline concept of GCP plus Theta Edge Network. Applying this model, we conduct a task using multiple deep learning modules consecutively. Now, some of these models can be Google proprietary models accessible only through GCP's API, and some are open source models that can be served by Theta's Edge network, leveraging the massive parallel processing power. Now, the application 1, semantic video search. In the first example of semantic video search, multiple models are used consecutively through GCP and Theta's Edge network. Raw video is fed into the video to text by Google Imagen via the Vertex AI APIs. Then clip summaries are sent to the large language model, the LLMs, and vectors DB hosted in Theta's Edge network to create video summaries and tags. This allows the users to accurately locate interesting moments inside a long video from a massive video library using natural language. I know, usually when I'm trying to find a specific moment, I gotta type in tiny little words like in the find, open up a YouTube transcript to hopefully find it. So this will definitely help with that a lot. Now, application 2, game highlight reel generation. In the second example of game highlight reel generation, again, multiple models are used consecutively. Raw video is fed into video to text by Google Imagen via the Vertex AI APIs. Clip summaries are sent to LLMs on Theta's Edge network. Then the clip sentiments are used by FMPAGs in the Edge network to create highlight reels, which can then be sent back to Imagen Video to text on GCP to create summaries of the highlighted reels. That is crazy. Now, implications of cloud plus edge. These examples of applications utilizing cloud and edge services together have a broad application by seamlessly switching between high throughput and high availability centralized services like GCP, along with decentralized edge networks like Theta. With massive parallel processing power, developers and enterprises can always have the best tool for the job at their fingertips instead of compromising on one axis. With videos compromising of 80% of global network traffic and growing, these videos focused use cases will be a major component of production of AI use cases in the coming years. So that's just a little bit more information on that. And again, if you want to watch the video, the link is down below. But congratulations, Theta Network, on this. This is awesome. Love it. And all right, what else? I think there was another update by Theta Network to the devs. Theta devs, please note that the current Theta Explorer API endpoint has changed from explorer.thetatoken.org semicolon 8443 is now to explorer-api.thetatoken.org. The 8443 endpoint will stop working on September 6th, so please change that API reference to the new endpoint to avoid any disruption to the Explorer service. So that's the Theta devs out there if you guys watch these videos, because if you do, I think that's pretty cool. And lastly, or two lastlies, I think there's, I got a couple more tabs up here, but here's some Theta ecosystem helping us stay safe out there. But there's another scumbag trying to be Theta in the Theta community. Their title is Theta Token-main.app online. Again, the official Theta Token website is thetatoken.org. So remember, Theta Labs teams members, admins, or mods, our official server never will DM you first. Nobody ever will. I will never DM you first at all, ever. So just keep that in mind. But this is a fake site. Be careful out there and always be diligent on what you're clicking on and where you go. And then if you guys want to hear a little bit more about Theta's ThetaCon 2023, there was a Twitter Spaces going on. Was this yesterday? Yes, talking about Stream Pass NFT drop, TC23 meme context, and more. So definitely give that a listen to. And I think they even mentioned with Theta drop how there's some reward challenges going on with these ThetaCon badges. So yeah, definitely check that out as well. But that is it for this Theta Network update. As always, we finished off with the price. Yes, Rob, we're going with the price again because this is me checking it. And again, yeah, that good news didn't really do much justice for the price, but I still see so much value with Theta right now. But yeah, Theta's price is at 60 cents right now with a market cap of $8.6 million. Total stake nodes is at 3,011. And our market cap is 602.8 million. And then, okay, so our Theta staked and locked away is at 51.97%. I think that dipped 4% because I think that may have had to do with Theta Labs doing their unstake, like I mentioned in my last video. But yeah, okay. Now, T-Fuel's price is at 0.03 cents with a market cap of $196.1 million. Trading volume is at 2.1 million. Total elite edge nodes out there is 8,242, and the T-Fuel stake to these edge nodes is at 38.58%. Now, T-Drop's price is 0.0012 cents, market cap 13.7 million. Trading volume 175,000. And again, if you don't know, T-Drop is the governance token of the Theta Drop marketplace. And that's where these guys are, Theta Drop. And if you didn't know, T-Fuel is the gas. So in order to move T-Drop tokens, Levita tokens, Theta tokens, it is the gas for the Theta network. And Theta is the governance token involved with definitely a lot more use cases because you definitely needed to set up these subchains that are being created out there. We can see Playground subchain, Space Junk, Levita, and Imagine Replays coming soon, tons more. But that is it for this Theta Network update. Here's some movement, kind of going slow, but it looks like a lot of transactions going more from Upbit than KuCoin right now. But yeah, so I do hope you guys did enjoy this video update. And if so, don't forget to smash that thumbs up button for me. Subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your weekend. And until next time, the Crypto Sherpa is out.